1955 Chevy, Pro Street. Door post. 1955 Gasser. What style do you like better? Let's take a look. Gasser's got the raised front end, the weight distribution. Got a roll bar in there. Radius rear wheel wells. All the good stuff in this one. Let's take a look at the driver's compartment. All business. So now we got Pro Streets. It's a little lower. Tubbed out in the back for wide tires. Lower in the front. Still got a purposeful interior. I like the hood louvers on it. This one's got a big block. Alright, let's look in the other one. This one has a small block. Either way, you can't go wrong. Let's look at it from the driver's side here, inside. Pretty neat. So, Gasser, Pro Street, you decide.